Optimizing your page for organic visibility is as important as optimizing your individual blog content also, because blog content optimization and page optimization all fall within the on-page SEO, right? So if you optimize your pages, you also stand a good chance of ranking on Google and ranking very quickly, raking in quicker conversions like sales conversion or lead generation conversions, right? In this particular video, I will take my time to help you understand how you can optimize your individual service or product pages and get them to rank quickly on Google as well. And I will be doing this in about 6 steps, right? So first of all, I'll walk you through my digital board, share my screen with you, explain these 6 steps to you, and get back here on my screen, share my screen, and helping you place each of the 6 steps inside their respective locations within your page. So I hope this makes sense to you guys. Let's get started together. So welcome here, guys. In order to optimize your page and to optimize it well, so these are a few checklists that you must put into consideration. First of it all is your page title. Your focus keyword must appear at the top of the page. I mean, at the page title. It's just like a book cover that has a title to it, right? When you write a book, you want to ensure that the title is visible on the cover of the page. So the same thing also is applicable with optimizing your page for SEO, right? Your focus keyword must be found at the title of your page. And the second one is the URL. The URL of your page. How do you get people to discover your page? It is through the URL. How do you get Google itself to understand and to discover your page also? It is also through the URL, right? So your focus keyword must be found at the URL, at the link section of your page, right? And the third one here is the H2 or any of the header tags, right? Your focus keyword must be found in at least 1 or 2 of the header tags section of your page. It can be in the H2 section at the top of the page, header tag, which is usually the H1 or the H2, right? And maybe 1 or 2 other header sections on the page. And the next one here is in between text, at least once. So how I do mine is ensuring that the focus keyword appears in between the text, usually in the first paragraph and the second paragraph of my page, right? And maybe one other places across the page too, but I try as much as possible not to overuse it, right? So I do mine by inserting the focus keyword in between the content, maybe preferably in the first paragraph of the content. And also the focus keyword should be found in the alternative text section of the website. So for any of the images that you have uploaded into the website, you want to ensure that you use the focus keyword at least in one of the alternative texts, right? So I do this also, and it has always worked for me, right? So last but not least, your focus keyword should come in as an LSI. So do your research, do your LSI research. LSI is latent semantic indexing, which is what we usually call the secondary keywords sometimes, right? So do your research for your LSI keywords and sprinkle them in between your content, in between your page also. This gives Google a signal that you also understand what the secondary search terms are also. So that at the end of the day, if your page is not ranking for the primary keyword, it definitely will get found for the secondary keywords also. So these are just a few checklists that I currently have by which you can optimize your page. So let me walk you through quickly on how you can get to infuse all of these items I listed here. So welcome to this particular section, guys. In this particular section, I want to take my time to walk you through my screen, obviously, helping you understand how to place the previously mentioned 6 steps. A quick one, I wouldn't dwell into keyword researching because it will make this video unnecessarily long. However, I have made about 2 or 3 videos on how to do keyword researches with various tools, right? You can check that in my playlist. I actually dropped the link to that in the description section of this video. And one of the ways by which you can do keyword research, especially using Google Search Console, is hovering somewhere at the top of this particular page. You can also do well to check it out. So right now, let's get to my screen and I will show you how to place the 6 steps I mentioned before now. So the very first thing we want to put into consideration is the title of the page. So look at this, for instance. If you hover your mouse here, you see media buying course, right, as a focus keyword appearing at the title of the page. How do you get this done? How was this particular one done? It was actually done from the page origin itself, right? So in the course of creating the page, you want to ensure that the title of the page is the focus keyword, obviously. So that was how this was actualized. So the title of the page, media buying course, this was where this originated from. So the title of the page is important, and also the URL, the link to the page right here, also very important, as you can see here. So you can change the URL also from here and save this up. So if you are using Elementor Page Builder also for your website, the interface will look something like this. So the next step is to ensure that your focus keyword appears in at least one or two of the titles. So this particular title here says complete media buying course, right? Complete media buying course with certificate and 2 months of internship. So this is also checked out, right? The H1 or the H2 section. And the focus keyword must be found in between text. Become a highly sought after digital media buyer in just 4 months. Enroll in our best digital media buying course to learn strategies that position you far ahead of the digital competition. So this also is here. The focus keyword is found inside of this text right here. And if you scroll down here, you most likely find the focus keyword appearing in some of these texts also here, right? So the next box to be checked is the alternative text. Your focus keyword must be found in at least 1 or 2 alternative texts on the website. So yeah, you want to do something like this particular image here. You want to edit this particular image, then come to the image itself. In the alternative text, you input the focus keyword, media buying course. Lady for media buying course in this. So lady for media buying course, right? PNG. So lady for media buying course PNG, and then you can save this up here and quickly update the page again. So now for the LSI keywords, there are several ways. So for the LSI keyword section, there are several ways by which you can find the LSI keywords. And one of them obviously is by using Google itself. Let's place digital media course here. So when you do this, one of the ways by which you can find LSI keyword is all of this bolded text. This bolded text here, digital media courses, right? If you scroll down, you see several of them. Digital media, yeah, you will see also this. If you scroll down here, digital media, then here you see digital media course subject, digital media course requirements, digital media course college, and several other things. So look at this, digital media course online, right? So we can use this as an LSI keyword and use it naturally somewhere inside of this page. I mean, find a way to create a relationship between the page and the LSI keywords, right? So here are some of our pegs. Okay, so this title here, let's see if we can insert a title right here, right? The title right here, this. So title or heading. Right, so this is this digital media course online. Okay, so complete or what you will learn in a digital media course online. Okay, so let's centralize this. Let's make this a bit bolder, bigger. Right, so the line height, reduce the line height, then the weight, let's say 600, 700. All right, so what you learn in our digital media course online. So this is how to use the LSI keywords or keyword naturally in between the text, All right. So I hope this helps a bit in helping you understand how to optimize your pages for organics for SEO. First of all, you want to ensure that the focus keyword appears at the title of the page. Secondly, you want to ensure that the focus keyword is used in at least one or two headers on the section on the website. You want to ensure also that the focus keyword appears naturally in between text. And very importantly, you want to ensure that your focus keyword appears in the alternative text. You also do your research for LSI keywords, secondary keywords, and ensuring that the LSI keywords, one or two of those LSI keywords, are used naturally in between text or within the page as well. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll be seeing you in my next content.